What is it?
No. What
is the problem? Why are we calling you? You don't want to.
If you just call me, you start like this.
See, there's no problem. We cannot call you to. Are you not our friend? So what happened?
See, Okoro, I don't tire. This
wait,
I won't go to the hot now.
Sorry.
I won't go rest.
Wait, what thing gonna happen? Why you don't want to do it again?
I don't want to do it again.
Wait. What thing happen for church? Why you don't want to?
Bam! I don't want to do it again.
Which one say you don't want to? You don't want to go heaven?
Oh, heaven where? I don't want to do baptism again. I don't want to do it again. I don't want to do it again.
Wait, I ask you. Which one say Father don't do it? You don't say I know you. You don't say I know you very well. You just say you know go to look Reverend Sister way there for church.
Bam! Father no do well. Father no do well. So I say I know they do again. Now by force, baptism by force.
No, now I'm going to tell us now. No. This one not be.
See, Okoro, my head they hot. I won't go rest. I beg.
Oh yeah, wait. Wait now. See, I want see. Okay, us.
Yeah, Anthony.
We want advice you. We advise you that. You see, look, I tell you, You see, you better go. You know, all the reason we're there for this thing. No be then you go marry now. Abi you go marry Nchi. You go marry Riri.
Iga no okay.
My boss. So it's better when you go and look for a good woman to marry.
Bam.
That will solve your problem.
I tell you now. I like me with that. I'm going to get an umbrella. You might put your own now. Even a medieval. Gonna get pointed deal.
You see, we'll be good advisors. You don't know us.
That's one day. And then I send you, your man, I can't get not go. But the problem is, say, all this thing when they talk, say, make I go marry. Not true. This is the point of all these girls. Even when me and she did, like 1 month, say, we'll just go know ourselves now.
You want to know yourself? You want to know yourself? To know yourself. If not, you go stay. You want to know yourself? What you gonna do? You don't know the meaning.
It's a good girl.
You better be serious.
See, I want to ask a question. How many girls that you don't forget for this?
There must be a reason why the girls they run.
I'm a commander. No blame on. See, if you get a neck, you're somebody injury.
See, but I could give you that.
My brain is hot now. Won't go rest.
Yeah, they hot.
See, they hot. Won't go rest.
Now.